It will be a quiet, boring day at Zeno's palace, where Zeno would be bored. Then the Shinkan would convince Zeno to have a child who would play with him, and Zeno would like the idea. So Zeno and the Shinkan still had to agree on who the mother would be. So the Shinkan started with this simple question: what universe should she be from? Zeno replied, Universe 7. Okay, what race should she be from? Said the Shinkan. Zeno replied once again, a Saiyan, and her name should be Jin. Okay, Zeno-sama, I understand. At that moment, planet Vegeta felt a great rumble, but since the Shinkan possessed God Key, the Shinkan was unable to be sensed. Then he appeared to Gina and told her she was to bear a child of immense power, he said. But how? Jin replied. When it is due time, I will take you to Zeno-sama, the king of everything. After the Shinkan left, Jin rushed to tell Bardock what just happened, but Bardock thought she was paranoid, so he left her. After 6 months, the Shinkan appeared to Jin and took her to Zeno's palace, where she would question Zeno all day. The Shinkan was surprised to see Zeno enjoying her company. This pleased the Shinkan. When Jin was about to deliver a baby, it was a shock that she had twins, 2 boys. She was asleep due to Zeno making it a quick delivery. Jin took the boys to the planet Vegeta, where she trained them till they were able to go back. And there, Vegito and Gogeta learned various techniques, but it was obvious they were not just normal Saiyans. Some thought they were the legendary Saiyans. Others thought they were the Saiyan gods. Then Shinkan arrived to take the boys to Zeno-sama to train them. Jin agreed. During the training, Gogeta would be found easily taking on Vegito until Vegito removes his Potara, which were made by Zeno to restrict his powers. Vegito is a very proud warrior. He was proud of his powers and was a genius, while Gogeta is mostly confused, but is a prodigy when it comes to the battle. Some time will pass. Gogeta and Vegito would realize Frieza wants to eliminate all Saiyans. I will want to stop him. So on getting there, Frieza will want to eliminate them, but Gogeta will stop him. Then Frieza, feeling mocked, will fire a ki blast at Vegito. Instinctively, Vegito will kill him with a single blast. Zeno would realize what they have done and would tell the Shinkan to call Whis to bring them back to his palace.